comprehensive, to be fair. So when looking at say 80 years worth of experience, 80 years worth of developing like knowledge of the industry and just developing products based on your research and development, I really want to home in on kind of what your facilities at Detmold are like, because for anyone in the UK who's potentially listening or listening in or watching, they might not have ever heard of Detmold itself. And then especially not heard or seen the facilities that are involved in developing our products. And so we utilize your products because we believe you're market leaders in what you do, and we see that in the research and development. So just in the past couple of years, obviously you mentioned Betacrete as an example. Do you just want to give an overview of what the kind of facilities is like, what work is kind of going on in those facilities, and then how that goes through to certifications then?
Yes, of course, with pleasure. So what, let's say, in Detmold, this is really our hometown. Here we have our headquarters, so it's in the northern center of Germany. We have in our headquarters are currently 200 employees working on it. Zocine, of course, it's not the biggest facility for construction chemicals in the world, but it's a very specialized one. We are always trying to have newest technologies that also ensure the labor safety in our production and also ensure, let's say, very high quality level as an outcome of the production. Our location here is quite good. I mean, we are a family company. Our suppliers are very, very long-term suppliers. For example, cement, for example, quartz sand. These are not just suppliers. These are, in the meantime, somehow friends who are working together. We have an excellent supply chain that also ensures our quality, what is coming out. We can speak with our suppliers about any problems, any issues that come up. And this is all that we see it. As a family company, somehow by nature, we have an somehow other feeling or different feeling for the people, for the markets. So I'm working now over 20 years in this Schomburg company, and I always say it's a family company because it's from a family, but it's also feeling like a family. And this is an issue. We are dealing with humans, we are dealing with the people, and this is also how we treat our suppliers and also our clients. So we want to achieve some goals with our partners, with our clients. We want to help them fulfill the needs of some construction sites. And this, of course, is the complete issue of laboratory. We have actually 25 people working in our laboratory. This is an issue with the production where 60 people are working with the latest technology of production. And in the end, this is also an issue about this logistics. We have a very modern warehouse where we have a capacity of 4,500 pallets. To ensure always delivery in time, to ensure that, let's say, when the season starts up, so in Europe we have somehow construction seasons, that we can supply our clients with the products. And the good thing is, I mean, we are working now over 80 years in this construction business. We know very good what are really the needs, the demands from the market. And as I mentioned, so if new trends come up, we are very close to the markets with our distribution partners as Atal in the UK. We have a very close eye on the market, what's happening, what does we need to develop to be on the latest technologies, and also what happens in the world and what ideas can be put into this new product development.
Amazing. Thank you.